Zoey is not coming out of the room. I think she's in pain. What's up with your sister? Hmm? Oh my. Bom dia. Bom dia. She had both these paws like retracted all the time. What? Go sit in the sunshine, sweetie. Go in the sunshine. Okay. Hey, you moved. Want to try a walk? Yes, you want to, huh? Espera un poquito, menina. Un poquito. You want to try and go for a walk, sweetie? Akira wants to go for a walk, sweetie. You stay here. Oh, here she comes. Maybe it loosens up when we go, okay? Let's give it a go. Maybe not. Zoey, now. Stay on the road, sweetie. Zoey? That you even thinking about this? Keep an eye on your sister. Zoey? Zoey? She really doesn't know her own limitations. Maybe we should keep her on the lead. Zoey, Andeka. Andeka. Where's Zoey? Zoey? Zoey! Fodes caralho. Andeka, menina. Zoey! She here? Zoey! Zoey! I hear something. The tracker is also not working. It has battery, but it says signal weak. So she's probably somewhere here in the valley. Zoey, think about your leg. Andeka! Is she okay though? I hear her shaking. Flapping ears. Andeka, menina, por favor. Akira? Akira? Andeka, Akira. Zoey's here. Look. Running on 4 paws. No. Almost. What are you doing, sweetie? Akira, come on. Akira, you want to go on or you want to go back? Oh, sweetie. Come on. Maybe we go on the lead, sweetie. Come on. On our way to the vet.
Zoey needs an X-ray. To not have her have much pain because I need to stretch her leg. She's been sedated. So now we're waiting. Come on, zo. Nou, faz mal. Nou, faz mal.
Zoey is getting her X-ray.
Oh, hi. Oh. What's up?
Excuse me? What? Sorry?
Zoey is not happy. Oh, sweetie. Can Zoey maybe sit in the bed, sweetie? Huh? Apparently we have a fire, guys. Look at these clouds here. I see something white down there. Oh, that's actually quite a distance away. What are weird clouds doing here? Looks like fire clouds. Akira's keeping an eye on things. Hi, sweetie? Zoey is still not standing on the paw. She is like the sedation is like finished, I think. She's not happy. So she has medication for 10 days for the inflammation that she has in the knee. It was a whole story. She has basically she has arthritis in her wrist, like in the front paw. And this has been already for a long time because there's like calcium buildup, like the sort of the bone is extending. And that's, yeah, something that she probably has already for a long time. Then she has also a hip displacement, probably from birth or from very young. On the right side it's a little bit more than on the left side. But the doctor says what's probably now causing the problem is an inflammation in her knee. So she has all kind of stuff. They x-rayed everything. She now has medication for this inflammation in the knee to see if that gets better. And then she has medication for arthritis that she probably will need to take for the rest of her life. The first 2 months is sort of a startup thing, and after that she needs a maintenance tablet. So let's see if this makes it more pleasant for Zoey at least. Not a happy girl. She's happy with the food now. But... No, sweetie. Akira's taking care of all the jobs of the sister. Akira's on extra alert because Zoey is inside all the time. Every now and then I hear a woof. At least the food was okay. Maybe some water. Yeah. Good girl. Hey Fofien. You guys never guess what happened. Outra vez. Once again. Beautiful sunset. Look, it's setting very fast now. Whoop. Ah. You know now how Fofinho gets out. It's a pretty high jump, mate. Let's see if we can detect anything here. Still leaking. Fofinho, get out of there. Sai. Still leaking, that's not good. Well, on the one hand it's not good. But on the other hand, there is water in there. This also feels as if there's water in there. Let's go see if we can find Maria. Come on, mate. Come on. Maria! 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 Fofinho está aqui. Sim. Oh Maria, não água nada e pouquinho.
Nada. Deixa lá, olha, pode-se ocupar amanhã, né?
Sim, sim, sim.
E falo com ele à noite, porque eu falo sempre com ele às 6. Anda para aqui, fofinho, anda cá, anda para aqui.
Zoey nou, Zoey anda cá. Não, Zoey.
Não quer vir para aqui não, ela quer vir, ela depois vem cá até ele.
Ela é problema da...
Tá,
Hey.
tadinha. Da perna, anda a confiar. Oh, minha pequenina, anda a confiar, minha pequenina, anda.
Zoey, anda cá, menina. Come on. Come on.
Passa lá para baixo, olha essa vaca, apanha a tareia. Ai, o menino. Olha lá.
O saltar na baixa da casa. Saltar muito.
Sim.
Chum.
Sim,
Malandro. Amanhã, Maria.
muito forte, pode aumentar, menino.
Ah. Zoey now. You're not allowed. Now. You need to be on the lead. Calma. Ciao Maya. Ciao Maya. Zoey, spera. You want to go for a walk, sweetie? You want to go for a walk? We need to leave. Spera. 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 Pika. Sorry, sweetie, it's for your own good. She wanted to go. A bit too much, maybe. You are exactly in all the ants, sweetie. You sure you want to lay here? It's not a good spot, I think, huh? Maybe lay it over there, sweetie. Yes. Go on the other side, sweetie, to your normal spot. You still have ants? Go over there, sweetie. Boa cadela. It's really weird because now it seems like she's walking on it.